Hello dear students, welcome to history class, chapter number 2, the earliest societies for class 6, part 8. And today's topic is the exercise part. Okay, today we are solving exercise. See here students, in exercise part A, match the following. Okay students, here two parts are there, A part and B part. A part questions are there here. First one, humans appear on earth. Second one, Neolithic age. Third one, Upper Paleolithic age. Fourth one, Homo sapiens. Fifth one, Bhimbetka. And part B, first one, Acheulean tools. B, second one, humans became food producers. C, Pleistocene period. D, thinking or wise man. And E, buildings and blades. Okay. So now we are going to marking correct answers. So first one you see students, humans appeared on earth. When humans are appeared on the earth, that period we call that, which one? The right answer is there here, C, Pleistocene period. Second one, Neolithic age. You know students, Neolithic age, three ages are there, Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age and Neolithic age. Okay, Paleolithic age, the humans are used stone tools, so that people is called Quartzite people. And afterwards, Middle age, that is Mesolithic period, the humans are making tools, sharpened tools. Okay, and afterwards in Neolithic age the humans they started the agriculture and also they settled life in Neolithic age. The right answer is there, humans became food producers. Okay, and next C, third question, Upper Paleolithic age. Some Upper Paleolithic age, humans are used here, means humans were used here some tools. Okay, so that tools means buildings and blades. So that tools are there here, buildings and blades. And next one, Homo sapiens. You know students, when the humans appear on the earth, so that which like peoples are appeared on the earth, that peoples are ape-like creature. That peoples are, we call that hominids. Afterwards changing in their body, changes in their body, so that peoples we called Homo erectus. And lastly, totally they are developed. So that people we call that, see here, Homo sapiens are thinking and wise man or wise man. In Bhimbetka, some archaeologists got there some tools that, so fifth answer is there, Acheulean tools. Acheulean tools. So once again I am repeating this one, some answers. Humans appear on earth. Right answer C, Pleistocene period. Neolithic age, humans became food producers. Upper Paleolithic age, buildings and blades. Homo sapiens are thinking or wise man. Bhimbetka, Acheulean tools. Okay students, you should be write neatly. So, part A, match the following completed here. So, you should be write this part, history part. Okay. So, next part B, I am continuing. Part B is there now. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay, students. Fill in the blanks. So, first question, hunting. Okay, see a student. So, I am only writing here answers. So, you all of you open page number 15. Page number 15. Page number 15. You all of you open, because only I am writing here answers. Okay, but in fair book you should be write question and answer. Okay, see students. First question is there, hunting and gathering was a way of life in dash age. Okay, I am writing here answer. That age is there here, Paleolithic age. Paleolithic age. The right answer is there here, Paleolithic. Second question, early humans moved in groups or protect themselves from dash animals. Okay, so protect themselves from wild animals. The answer is wild. And next one, third question, question number 3. The characteristic tools of the upper Paleolithic age were dash and dash. Fill in the blanks. Question number 3. So, all of you open page number 15. See, the questions are there. Question number 3 is there. Once again, I am repeating. The characteristic tools of the upper Paleolithic age were dash and dash. The answers are there. Burins. The answers are there here. Druins and blades. Druins and blades. Next question, question number 4. Dash and dash were two popular methods of making stone tools. Dash and dash were two popular methods of making stone tools. See here student, first method is there, stone to stone, means stone on stone. It's the first fill in the blanks. Second fill in the blanks, pressure flaking method. Okay, pressure flaking. So these are the two options, stone on stone and pressure flaking. And question number 5 is there, dash caves are famous for. See here, question is there here. Bhimbetaka caves are famous for. So these are famous for paintings. These are famous for paintings. Okay students, once again I repeating, all fill in the blanks, but don't write this like you should be write question. Okay, page number 15 is there, see and write. So I wrote here only answers. See a student, question number 1, fill in the blanks. Hunting and gathering was a way of life in dash age. The answer is Paleolithic age. Question number 2. Early humans moved in groups to protect themselves from dash animals. So these are the wild animals. Okay. And next, question number 3. The characteristic tools of the upper Paleolithic age were dash and dash. See here, drills and blades. Question number 4. Dash and dash were two popular methods of making stone tools. Answers: stone on stone and pressure flaking. Question number 5. Bhimbetka caves are famous for paintings. See here students, when you writing these all, you should be right, question should be right blue pen, and answer these should be right black pen. You use it black pen. Understood? So you should be right neatly and you write it in history part. And today's topic completed here. So what you have learnt in today's topic? You have learnt exercise part of chapter number 2, the earliest societies. So part A, match the following completed, and part B, fill in the blanks completed. And next topic means next part I am continuing in next class. Thank you.